Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to make a video longer than 60 seconds on TikTok. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. I'm on an iPhone, but you can do these same steps if you're on Android as well. The first thing that we'll want to do is to head into our App Store. Once we're in our App Store, we'll just type in TikTok. And the reason why we're going to do this is we're going to make sure we have the latest update. So if it says update next to TikTok, then tap update. If you have the latest update, then great. You have the ability to upload longer than 60-second videos. So let's just open up TikTok here, and you'll see this screen with a variety of different videos. To upload a video that's longer than 60 seconds, you can tap the plus icon at the bottom center here, and it'll give you a variety of different options. At the very bottom, you can see 15 seconds, 60 seconds, and 3 minutes. We can tap on 3 minutes right above the record. Now, this will give us the option to hold down and press and record a video up to 3 minutes long on TikTok. So this is a new feature. You can go above 60 seconds or longer than 60 seconds. You can also upload a video that's longer than 60 seconds. So we can tap upload here, and you can see a bunch of different options. We can, maybe one of these screen recordings, we can select these, but keep in mind that you can't select one that's longer than 3 minutes. So if you select that one that's longer than 3 minutes, and then at the very top you can see, it's kind of hard to see, but top right you can see trim this clip. You can see it trimmed it to 3 minutes exactly. So this will limit that video if you upload one that's longer than 60 seconds and longer than 3 minutes, it'll trim it down to the 3 minutes. So of course you can trim it, scrub it, all that stuff here, but keep in mind that 3 minutes is the longest that you can currently have on any of your videos. So you can select a video that's longer than 3 minutes, but it'll trim it down to 3 minutes, or you can record a new video that's up to 3 minutes long. Hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe. Thanks.